Plant FAQs, Heuchera citronelle. A gardener's guide to the luminous Heuchera citronelle. For years, I've been captivated by foliage with personality. Plants that boast not just blooms, but captivating leaves that add year-round interest to the garden. That's where Heuchera citronelle, also known as coral bells, truly stole my heart. Its luminous citron yellow leaves, tinged with silver on the underside, are a showstopper in any shady corner. This isn't just another pretty face, though. Heuchera citronelle is surprisingly resilient, tolerating heat and humidity better than some of its Heuchera cousins. It's become a mainstay in my garden, adding a burst of color and texture throughout the seasons. Intrigued by this vibrant perennial? Let's delve into the world of Heuchera citronelle, exploring how to grow it, care for it, and incorporate it into your own garden masterpiece. What makes Heuchera citronelle special? Heuchera citronelle stands out for its foliage. The bright citron yellow leaves emerge in spring with a vibrancy that takes your breath away. As the season progresses, they soften to a luminous chartreuse, maintaining their captivating presence throughout the summer. The silver undersides add another layer of interest, especially when the wind gently rustles the leaves. Unlike some Heuchera varieties, Heuchera citronelle thrives in partial shade. While it tolerates some morning sun, especially in cooler climates, afternoon shade is key to maintaining the vibrancy of its foliage. In deeper shade, the leaves might lean towards a more chartreuse hue, but their beauty remains undimmed. This low-maintenance perennial forms a compact mound, reaching a mature height of about 12 inches. In the summer, white flower spikes rise above the foliage, adding a delicate touch. While the flowers themselves are attractive, some gardeners choose to deadhead them to encourage the plant to focus its energy on maintaining the stunning foliage. How to grow Heuchera citronelle. Adding Heuchera citronelle to your garden is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Planting. Choose a location with partial shade. Well-drained soil is crucial, so amend your planting site with compost or other organic matter if needed. Aim for a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball and gently massage the roots before placing it in the hole. Backfill with soil, water thoroughly, and apply a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Spacing. Space Heuchera citronelle plants 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for proper growth and air circulation. How to care for Heuchera citronelle. Once established, Heuchera citronelle requires minimal care. Here are some key points to remember. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first growing season and during periods of drought. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Fertilizing. Heuchera citronelle is not a heavy feeder. A light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring is sufficient. Pruning. Deadheading spent flowers will encourage the plant to focus on foliage growth. You can also remove any dead or damaged leaves throughout the season to maintain a tidy appearance. How to propagate Heuchera citronelle. Want to share the beauty of Heuchera citronelle with other gardeners? Propagation is easy. Here are two methods. Division. In spring or fall, carefully dig up a mature Heuchera citronelle plant. Using a sharp knife, divide the crown into several sections, each with healthy roots and leaves. Replant the divisions in prepared soil, water well, and keep them moist until established. Seed saving. While less common, Heuchera citronelle can be propagated from seed. However, seedlings might not retain the exact color and form of the parent plant. Sow seeds indoors in late winter or early spring and transplant them to the garden once the danger of frost has passed. What to plant with Heuchera citronelle. Heuchera citronelle's vibrant foliage makes it a versatile companion plant. Here are some ideas. Hostas. The cool green foliage of hostas provides a perfect backdrop for Heuchera citronelle's luminous leaves. Ferns. Ferns with delicate fronds add a textural contrast to the bolder leaves of Heuchera citronelle. Astilbes. The soft, pink or white blooms of astilbes create a harmonious pairing with Heuchera citronelle's colorful foliage. Heucheras with contrasting colors. Don't be afraid to experiment with other Heuchera varieties that boast contrasting foliage colors, like burgundy or purple, for a stunning tapestry effect. This playful mix of textures and hues adds visual interest and depth to your shady border. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Heuchera citronelle also attracts pollinators like hummingbirds and butterflies with its delicate summer flowers. Deer and rabbits tend to leave this beauty alone, making it a welcome addition to gardens prone to wildlife nibbling. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Heuchera citronelle is a delightful addition to your shady haven. With its minimal needs and captivating presence, this perennial is sure to bring a touch of sunshine to any corner, even on the gloomiest days.